Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a refund on your Temu items, so let's get right into it. And for this tutorial, I will be using an online article, so if you have any other questions, make sure to check it out. So to get a refund, what you need to first is to return an item, and you initiate it by going into your account and clicking on your orders and clicking return/refund. You'll be asked for a reason, so provide the reason why you are returning it. Then add a comment if you want, and provide some questions for your item or some pictures for your item. You do need to have photographic evidence of the defect or the reason that you're returning it. So make sure that you have a valid reason before you apply, since it might not, your return might not be approved. Once you do that, then you need to request or just select your return method, either post office or UPS. If you're doing it by post office, you get one free return for every order. So that means don't order multiple items, and you'll be eligible for a free return on each of them. And that is pretty much it. I think that applies for both post office or the UPS store. So that is pretty much it. Once you're done with that, select a payment method, either the original payment method or the Temu credit balance, and then just send your item to them if it has been approved, and you will get a refund. Now, the refund is started when your item arrives and goes through a quality check, and it may need up to 5 to 14 business days, occasionally up to 30 if they're experiencing some problems. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.